Oh no, I think, oh, I was going to say this one's gone, but it hasn't. Oh, that boat's moving some.
Cool. That's what this TikTok is all about, to be honest with you. If you look at my videos now...
I hope it'll break. Yeah, it's not bad yet. It's not bad. Are you not scared? I wouldn't say scared. I'm just, I mean, it's just nervous. You know, you just get nervous.
Have this railing here too. Thank you for the lightning. Thank you for all the love.
Rock the Milton hairdo. You the Milton special. Who's rocking the Milton? Only me in Tampa Bay. Oh, that's a haircut right there. A Milton. You just make it wild like a hurricane, you know? Hey, I appreciate the likes, the follows, the gifts that are rolling in. Oh my God.
It's top right camera froze. Nope, there's just nothing happening on it. It might have froze actually. You gotta remember guys, these cameras might not hold out. Like, they're being filmed in a disaster zone right now, so they're gonna lose power, they're gonna lose internet, all that kind of stuff. Where's the boat? No, there was a bloke on TikTok earlier, Captain something he called him. He was a bit of a nutter, but he was in his boat and he was refusing to leave. Yeah, think of the poor animals too, guys. Exactly, animals. We're all thinking of you, everybody. We appreciate all the gifts. Natasha, Adams, thank you. Nats, thank you.
Water drips. Zoomed out here now.
You have to know Speedy. If you know Speedy, put 1 in the chat. He's a guy that drives around with all sorts of lights on his car. It's crazy.
Yeah, they do need state cover. They really do.
Really happy though. Thank you.
This is in Florida. It's a live CCTV. It's live. Yeah, Florida.
What's going on?
Guys, during the hurricane a little bit kind of dead to the turn.
And look, you see this? Look, you see how this is dry, right? This is. Look, you see how this is dry, right? This is dry. When it rains, this gets a little floody, but it's like it's just like a little area. So this is, it really hasn't came, guys. If this looks scary, you haven't seen nothing yet.
And of course, we've got to worry about Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, maybe even Fort Myers Beach and Cape Coral and those areas.
Outside Disney. Outside Disney. 3 weeks. We're just outside Disney. We're about 50.
So we're hanging out and making sure that they're good. And then the last reason, and my big reason, is when natural disasters happen, people like to exploit people that are in a bad way.
At 7 o'clock, I know God can change it.
Hour, but there's a possibility. As I said, if you go to Zoom Earth, you can check the speed of it.
Oh, the power is going out over there. I think that was like a electrical box or something that might have just went.
Ele mostra velocidade. São três ao mesmo tempo.
Like I said, any gifts that you guys do send,
I appreciate it. No, I don't have a flotation device. I know how to swim. I will make it out. I appreciate it.
Where I am, but I can give you like an estimate. Yeah, Ruby, hold on. I didn't see your message. I just closed my computer down. Oh no, somebody's electricity went out. Oh my goodness, yes. But I said if it goes out, y'all, I'm trucking it to my sister's house. We're gonna go visit her.
Look at that, just exploded. You see it? Look at. Oh, we just lost power. We just lost power, guys. Oh, power just came back on. Oh, look at. Did you guys see that? The electric's exploding out there. That was a power plant or something. Thank you guys, I appreciate that. Oh, there goes the power. It's still cutting in and out. We just lost power again. Just lost power.